pala baha ang magpapalubog sa ating bayan, kundi kasakiman.
Walang po ang ambulans sa gabinete na ito!
Naglalaroan lang nila tayo.
Paano ang aming mga negosyo? Negosyo! Bayan ang sarili pumilika! Paano ninyo nasisikmurang pag-usapan ng negosyo kung mga alipin tayo sa sarili nating bayan? Hindi, hadas! Nasisikmura ba ng gabinete ang ganitong kataksilan?
Bulag! Mga kapatid, mayroon tayong mas malaking kaway ang ating sarili. Kailangan natin ng isang radikal na pagbabago.
Tama sa'yo na Luna. Kailangan na tayong kumilos!
Kaya na ba ng Pilipino na marinig ang katotohanan ng hindi mapipikon?
Unite for Equity, building a fairer society together. Actively working to promote fairness, equality, and human rights within a society, particularly for marginalized or disadvantaged groups. We can achieve and stop social justice advocacy by providing comprehensive, unbiased information and educational resources on online social justice issue. And also, we don't need to hide people's identity just because they pay to us just to shut our mouth. Fair when some people drop the names of the not guilty, but the other person who paid they hide or just hiding their own identity. Just like the reporters, you don't have to hide anything in public. Like them, we need to be fair in other ways. The one example for this is a politician who are cheating during the election so they can win. After that, they will corrupt the people's money in the government. They are getting richer while the people are suffering even more. It's just sad that some people, especially in the government, are not fair to others. That's all. Thank you.